Hi, good morning dear students. The last class we discussed about the data structure chapter. In that we know the operations on an array. Okay, how many operations we have? There are 5 operations on array. Each operations have a one algorithm. Okay, see in that first one you know the traversing. Okay, traversing means the element can be travel one point to another point. In program that process is called traversing. Okay, last class we discussed about this. Then second operation is a searching operation. What is searching? Finding the location of a element, that is called searching. Okay, this searching option will be used in many devices, in computer, in mobiles. Okay, if you want to search any files you have to use this algorithm only. When they are developing app, okay, different apps, definitely they are using this searching algorithm. Okay, this is you want to remember. Okay, this is a searching. There are two types of searching, already you discussed about this. Searching means you know the types of searching means one is a linear search, second one is a binary search. Okay, last class we discussed about this, and also we have to solve the problems on linear search and binary search. Okay, then the third one is a insertion. Okay, what is insertion? Okay, last class we discussed about this. Insertion means it is a process of inserting an element into the array. That is called what? Insertion. This algorithm is also used in when they are developing apps. Okay, when you go for text messages, when you SMS to your to the other friend, okay, then you have to insert a characters in a text box. Okay, that how it is possible? Because of this algorithm, insertion algorithm. Okay, that's why this insertion algorithm will be used in a different apps also. Okay, see what is insertion? Insertion nothing but it is a process of inserting an element into the array. Last class we discussed about this. Then we know the algorithm also. Okay, algorithm for how to insert a element, how to insert a character into the array. Okay, for example, I have the 1, 2, 10, 30, 10, 20 and 30. Okay, this is stored in A of 0, this is stored in A of 1, this is stored in A of 2. Okay, I want to insert a element in between. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ A of 1. In A of 1 I want to insert element for example I want to insert a 50. How to insert 50? Then when you insert a 50, then what is the you are getting element 10, 50, after that you are getting 20, after that you are getting 30. Then this is A of 0, this is A of 1, this is A of 2, this is A of 3. A of 3. See, when you inserting a element, okay, in insertion, when you inserting the element 50, then the elements comes from lower order to higher order. It jumps from lower order to higher order. For example 20 A of 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 20 becomes to A of 2. Okay, this is you have to remember, this is called insertion process. Okay, this is called insertion process, you have to remember this. Last class we discuss about this. Okay, for example 3, when you insert element 3 elements ಇದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 4 elements ಆಗ್ತವೆ. This process is called insertion. Okay, it's very easy concept. Okay, then the fourth operation on array is deletion. Okay, what is deletion? This is asked for so many times in the examination. What is deletion? Deletion means it is the process of deleting the element from the array. It is process of remove the element from the array. That is called what? Deletion. For example, you have this is also used in so many apps. Okay, in MS Word, in text box, when you deleting any chart, if you want to delete any chart, okay, chart ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ delete ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, how it is possible? Because of this algorithm. Okay, because of this algorithm we have to deleting the chart. Delete option will becomes because of this algorithm. This is you have to remember. Okay, there if you want to write any text, if you message afterwards you have to by using backspace you have to deleting that. How it is possible? Because of this deletion option. Okay, then what is deletion? Deletion means the process of deleting the element from the array. Okay, process of deleting the element from the array, that is called deletion. Then how to write the algorithm for this? Okay, let's see. Deletion means, for example, I have just consider 4 elements. Just consider 4 elements. I want to delete 50 delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. in position 50 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಯಾವ position ಇದೆ, in a of 1. then after deleting 50, then what you are getting? See, 10 20 30. Okay, after deleting 50 you are getting, then 20 will be comes to position 50. Okay, 30 will be comes to in position 20. Okay, means what? Here the elements are comes from higher order to lower order, but in insertion it is lower order to higher order, but here from lower order to from the elements in deletion process, the elements are comes from higher order to lower order. Okay, higher order to lower order, this is you have to remember. Got it? See, this is what this is called deletion. When you are deleting 50 delete ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿತು when you are deleting the 50. Okay, this is you have to remember. This is called deletion process. Insertion process means you have to insert. For example, insertion from me you have to insert 50, you are getting 4 elements, but when you are deleting 50 you are getting 3 elements. This process is called deletion. Got it? Then how to write the algorithm for that deletion? See, for a writing algorithm, must and should we want one array. This is called one array. Okay, this is called array. Then of any elements, how many elements we have? How many elements we have in this? You have 4 elements. Okay, you have how many elements? 4 elements. Now you have 4 elements. Then one element, I want to insert one element. I want to delete one element. 15 na delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Then in which position I want to delete? A of 1. In A of 1 means position. In which position I want to delete the element? A of 1. ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು? 15 ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಲೀಷನ್? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 50 will be deleted, then 20 will comes to 50 place, 30 will be comes to 20th place. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ 4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತವೆ? 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Got it? This is you have to remember. Then how to write an algorithm for this? First, see, in this element equal to A of P. My element is element equal to A of P. A of P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? 50 ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ? Position is 1. This is nothing but A of 1. Okay, A of 1. A of 1 for I equal to P. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1. I equal to, then A of 1. A of 1 equal to 2 n minus 1. A of 1 plus 1. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? A of 1 equal to A of 2. A of 2. See, this the higher order elements comes to lower order. See, A of 1, A of 2 andre yavudiದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? A of 2 means 20 ಇದೆ. 20 will be comes to A of 1 ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 50 when deleted, 20 will be comes to A of 1. 20 will comes to A of 1. Okay, this is formula you have to remember. For I equal to P to n minus 1, then A of I equal to A of I plus 1. But in insertion alli idu ulta irutte, idu illi barutte, idu illi bandirutte. Okay, this is you have to remember, don't confuse. Okay, in insertion option, okay, it is A of I plus 1, but in a deletion option it is A of I equal to A of I plus 1. Then after deletion, what you are getting? See, after deletion, n equal to n ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ how many elements you have? First time how many elements are 4 minus 1. After deletion you are getting 4 minus 1. 50 delete ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿತದೆ. Okay, this is a tracing. They are in examination, they don't ask you any tracing, just you have to practice this algorithm. Okay, these are also for lab programs also. Okay, ive nimage lab programs agi barutte. In lab program, these are the algorithms you have to remember. If you know the algorithm, program will be very easy. You have to convert this algorithm into program. Okay, this is you have to remember. This is what this is about a deletion. See, once again I will tell you how it is happened. For example, I have taken the different numbers. For example, I am taking just 5 and 15, 5 and 15 and 20. Okay, this is this is in A of 0, this is in A of 1, this is in A of 2. Okay, what is deletion? It is a deletion means it is a deleting the element from the array. I want to delete now. I want to delete. See here, I want to delete 5. 5 na delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. See how to delete 5. 5 delete ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನೋ 15 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 ನ delete ಮಾಡಿ. See 5 element, ನನ್ನ element ಯಾವ delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ? A of 5 ಯಾವ position ಇಲ್ಲ? In A of 5 will be stored in A of 0 position. Then for I go to P, position ಯಾವುದು? 0. A of 0 equal to A of 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. See 15 comes to after deletion of 5. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು? 15. Then after that 20. See 15 comes to 5 position, 20 comes to 15 position. Then you are getting answer 15 and 20 when you deleting 5. Okay, this is called a deletion process. Okay, this is called deletion process. After that, see A of 1 is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 position ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then n equal to first elements ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 3 minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? How many elements you are getting? Lastly you are getting only, when you deleting 5 you are getting only 2 elements. This process is called a deletion process. Okay, this is a deletion operation. What is the difference between insertion and deletion? In insertion process you have to inserting the element into the array. In the deletion process you have to delete the element from the array. Okay, then here in the insertion, when you insert the element, the elements comes from lower order to higher order, but here in the deletion from higher order to lower order. Higher order ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ 20 A of 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. A of 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ 20 delete ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 20 ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು? A of 1 ಗೆ ಬಂತು. From higher order it jumps from higher order to lower order. Okay, this is the concepts you have to remember. Okay, these are helpful for your engineering, these are helpful for your BCom. Okay, for every courses, and when you go for competitive exams also these are helpful. Okay, when you go for any interviews also they are asking what is insertion, what is deletion process, these type of questions. Okay, these are basic questions you have to remember. Okay, this is about a deletion. How many operations we know? See, now we know the 4 operations in an array. Okay, with algorithm. These we have to practice these are very important. And also I am sending full data structure notes. Okay, please write notes. Okay, please write notes, and you have to watch this video repeatedly. Okay, ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ so many times, then only you can understand. Okay, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು then you have to see the video. Okay, then only you can understand. Okay, this is about deletion. Next class we discuss about next topic. Okay, thank you for watching this video.